In this video today, you are going to see the complete transformation of 20,000 Pelkey in Detroit, Michigan. You're going to see the before, the after, hear all the numbers, and learn how you can do the same with us. This house started off in pretty rough shape, like they all do in Detroit, but we saw the potential right away. Our buyer purchased this house from a distressed seller for $35,000. So let's get into the before video. But before you do, please like and subscribe to see more transformation stories like this one.
Here is 20000 Pelkey. Now the windows are going one by one. Both of those ones. Bathroom's gone. That one's gone. Basement needs lots of work.
I'm sure you want to see the transformation. So next I'm going to show you the transformation. It's completely renovated. We did new siding, roof, windows, kitchen, bathroom, furnace, hot water heater. You're going to see all of that. And our team handled the entire renovation for a total all-in cost to the buyer of $90,000. That means the buyer paid $35,000 at the closing and then covered the rest as a construction fee up front, totaling the $90,000. Watch till the end and I'll give you all the numbers of how it worked out for this buyer. So let's get into it.
All right, here we are at 20000 Pelkey. Wrap this one up except for carpet and furnace and water heater. Working on getting a tenant now, but this place is impressive. New roof, new windows, new trim, new siding, all new gutters. Let's go in and take a look. Here's the side of the house. Came out really nice. Gonna put up a new fence here too. We just got all the stumps taken out down the way there. And here's the back. Really came out nice. All right, we got new security doors, new entry doors, put a new floor in the entryway, painted, living room there, bedroom one, all new entry doors, new blinds, new lights, bedroom number two, same thing. Here's the bathroom. This we gutted, all new surround, brand new bathtub, new glass block window, new vanity, toilet. I come out here, we go upstairs, carpet these steps and carpet up here too. Nice space up here. Good sized room. A little higher ceilings than usual on the side here. It's nice. Through here, there's the side door. Kitchen, new floor. All new cabinets, countertops, sink, plumbing. Appliances there. We go downstairs. Nice big clean basement now. All new paint. Plumbing was all updated there. Furnace and water heater will go there, obviously. Utility area, washer and dryer hookups. Glass block windows. Electrical was updated. And there we go. 20,000 Pelkey. Probably one of the ones we've done the most work on as far as all the big ticket items. Nice sized living room here. That's it.
The beauty of working with us is that we've done this hundreds of times, and we're fast, we're experienced, and we don't come back asking for more money mid-project the way that so many contractors do. When you hire a contractor and say the contractor gives you a quote and they say, well, this is my estimated quote. No, we're giving you the total price up front. We move quickly and we deliver the finished rental in about 6 to 8 weeks. Here's how the numbers look in this deal. The purchase price was $35,000. The renovation fee was $55,000. The total investment was $90,000. The taxes, that's very important. When you are buying a property, you need to know what the uncapped taxes are, because in Michigan, they take the SEV, the state equalized value, and they have a calculation and they come up with the uncapped taxes for the next summer tax bill. So the 2026 taxes on this house are actually in the low range compared to a lot of other houses in Detroit. They come to $1,633. The insurance, the exact insurance for this house came to $977.93. The expected rent is $1,250 per month. The property management fee is 12%. And people like to calculate the maintenance and the turnover. On a newly renovated house like this, it's going to be next to nothing. It's just going to be like a random tenant caused damage kind of thing, if that even happens. And hopefully there's not a turnover, because the property manager this person picked is really good at picking long-term tenants, because that's actually his goal. To get the ROI, you take the gross rent, $15,000 a year, less the property management, which is $1,800 in this case, taxes, insurance, $2,611, and it gets you an 11.8% ROI. Really, really good. And I've been talking to a couple other investors, and they keep saying, well, you know, it needs to be at least a 14% ROI, or I need better numbers than that. And I'm dying to say to them, go back, find yourself a time machine, because that doesn't exist. And if somebody's telling you it exists, it's just not true. They're going to get into it and be like, oh, we didn't realize it needs all this, this, and this. And oh, we didn't know that the rent was going to be this. And it's just not the reality. This is the reality. I'm not trying to cushion anything. This is just the clean, clear reality. This is a really good, real ROI. Now, here is something smart that this buyer did. I'm so happy about this. He actually interviewed the property manager and he got a reference. And that's not common. A lot of people just take somebody's word for it. This is a great property manager, and they just go with it because it's easy maybe. But I always want people to talk to references. And the question that you ask the reference is, have you had a turnover? How did it go for you? How fast was it? How much were you charged? How are the maintenance fees? You got to ask these things. You can't ask somebody who's just had an easy ride and nothing has ever come up. You need a situation where something has come up, like a turnover, and ask them how it actually went. And this property manager, he picked a smaller property management company with a slightly higher fee. The fee was 12% per month. This property manager, he doesn't pad the repair invoices or charge for what I think is fake maintenance. So what he does, what we've noticed other property managers will do is a tenant will call and they'll say, I damaged my mini blinds and I need you to replace them. And the property manager sees that as income potential. So they'll send a maintenance guy out. You're in some other state or country as the owner and you're like, oh, they have to have mini blinds, don't they? Well, yeah, but when they damage their own mini blinds, why are you paying for new mini blinds? When they move, you're gonna have to replace the mini blinds and then you charge the tenant for all the mini blinds then. But if you change them right now, you're just gonna have to change them again and again. And it's just a way for the property manager to charge a maintenance fee that's not necessary. Another one we've heard is like a scratch floor. The tenant scratched the floor. We're not fixing that until the tenant moves, if it affects renting the house or not. But property managers love to charge for things like that. And it's hard for an owner to know what's legit and what's not really legit. So this is a really good property manager in this case. So let's talk about the closing costs. So in this situation, the all-in price was $90,000, but the buyer bought this in August. And so when you buy a house in August, the tax bill comes out in July, so that means the buyer had to prepay the taxes from August till like the next July. So he had 11 months of taxes he had to pay, so his closing costs were higher. So, you know, you buy the house in the middle of the year, you're gonna pay half this much. So his total all-in cost was $92,132.02. The August taxes, because he bought it in August, the amount that he had to pay in taxes, the seller had to pay July, he had to pay August on, were $1,441.82. So the actual fees that he paid as a buyer to buy this house were only $690.20. Pretty good. So this is what a successful Detroit renovation looks like. Clean numbers, solid returns, and a happy investor. If you want a deal like this, just reach out to us. Below is my link to Calendly to set up a time to talk with me. We can find the house, we manage the renovation, and we hand you a rental-ready property in just 6 to 8 weeks. I hope to hear from you. Thanks for watching.